Hello and welcome to a new tutorial on Cleopatra channel. On this video I will show you how to place an image on a text. Very simple, very easy, very quick. We will open the browser, whatever browser you use, and you will go to the website pixlr. Okay. From this website we will click on pixlr.com. We will go here. It will open the front page. We will go in the top from here to pixlr E. Click on pixlr E and then here click on create new. Leave everything as a default, don't change anything, just click on create. Let me bring the image I will use for this tutorial. It's about sunset. I will make the image a little bit bigger like this. Okay, and now I will add the text. The picture is about sunset, so let me say sunset. Okay, I need to change the font first because I have to choose something a little bit bold, like this. It's great. I change the size, the text size, like this. Wonderful. Place it here. All what you have to do, just, can you see this 3 dots? Click on this 3 dots and choose from here mask. That's all. As you can see, we have an image on the text. You save this as a transparent. You click and save, and here you go to PNG. Make sure you click, you choose PNG. Okay, so it will be saved as a transparent image. That's how you add an image to a text. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, do not go before you subscribe. Thank you and see you in the new video. Goodbye.